In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix MLB app not working. If you are experiencing any issue with your MLB app, maybe it keeps on hanging, it can't open, or it is too slow, or even keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can fix this. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, there are quite a number of methods you can use to fix your app. In the first method, you need to go ahead and access MLB app info page. To do this, just go ahead and long press on your app and then choose the second option, app info. If you tap on this, you'll be taken to this app info page. From here, we need to go ahead and clear the app data. Now, if I go to storage here, you can see we have a lot of data stored by this app. Of importance is this cache data. When you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your app normally collects and stores to enhance user experience. However, accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction and hence cause the problems you are experiencing. So to clear these cache files, you need to go ahead and tap on clear data and then choose the second option, clear cache. From here, tap on OK, and you can see now our cache files have been cleared and also part of the other data. From here, go ahead and restart your smartphone and then open your app, and this should fix almost all the problems that you are encountering. However, should this not work, then go ahead again to the app info page, and this time around again go to clear data and choose the first option, clear all data, and OK. At this point, everything should be okay. But should you still have an issue, then you need to go ahead and look for this app through Google Play Store or App Store. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go to Play Store here, search for my app, and then find out if we have any update. One of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because you are using an outdated version of MLB app. To fix this, go ahead and tap on update, and then this will go ahead and install the latest version of your app. And from here, go ahead and open it to start using. However, should you still experience issues such as crashes, it means your app contains bugs. To fix this, you need to go ahead and uninstall the app at once and then install it afresh. When you do this, you'll have no issue with your app. So that's how you can fix issues related to MLB app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.